Hello everybody, how are you doing? Uh, Here is Mahmoud. I will talk about sentiment analysis using logistic regression. Okay, so what is the sentiment analysis? Sentiment analysis is the tool to classify words or sentences or tweets to different categories like positive, negative, or happy, sad, angry, something like that. So, to get more understanding for that, we can see the next table. So this sentence say that loves the German bakeries in Sydney together with my imported honey. It feels like home. This considered as positive review. Okay. Another one say mine is broken too. I miss my sidekick. She's talking about her broken leg. So it's considered as negative review. And so on. So we classify the sentences to positive or negative here. We can classify to other categories, but for make it so simple, we will talk about just two classes, positive and negative. So as we said, sentiment analysis to classify text to different categories. What can we use sentiment analysis for? We can use it in reviews collection. We can use it in detecting racism and bad behaviors over social media, and we can even know the state of the customers or the employees in customer service, and so we can improve it. So let's talk about logistic regression. Logistic regression considered as a part of supervised machine learning. So let's talk about the supervised machine learning algorithm. First, we have features and we have labels. Features called X and labels called Y, and it's called either actual output. Okay, actual output. So the X is considered as sentences or sentence in this problem. Okay, it's the input to the model. So after that, after input the X or features, it enters to something called prediction function. Then it should output the Y predicted, which is positive or negative. Okay, which tell us is that positive review or negative review. Okay, so what is the difference between Y label or actual output and Y predicted or Y hat? The difference is that this we predicted. Okay, so it may be right or maybe wrong. Okay, how do we know that is it right or wrong? We compare it with actual output or Y with Y hat. Okay, compare them, then If it's right, then this is good. If it's wrong, then we should improve our prediction function. How to improve it? By improve the parameters or theta. We'll talk about that in next few videos. So as I said, we first we compute y predicted or y hat with and compare it with y labor or actual output, compare it using cost function, then improve our theta. That's called the learning or the training. Okay, then this prediction function will improve, then you would have better predicted output. Okay, then again improve again, compare again, then improve again, and keep going on like that until you have good and strong prediction function. Okay, sentiment analysis. We input some sentence or some tweet like this, and we take y hat positive or negative. But our y hat, if it equal 1, then it's positive. Okay, and if it equal 0, it's negative review. Okay, to make sure that you understand, let me type again. You input the text or the sentence or the tweet, so it's X. After pre-processing it, we will talk about that in the next lesson. Okay, so it's X now. After pre-processing it, it's X now. Then you enter it to training or the model we talked about, model. Then it will classify it to positive in this case because it's a positive review. Okay, and that's it. You just input some sentence and the model, the logistic regression model, will handle it to give you the right review for it. Thanks for watching. We'll talk about some advanced details about what we talked about in this lesson. Thank you for watching and keep going on.